Lawft is law practice management software designed by lawyers for lawyers. I'm Benson Varghese, the founder of Lawft, and this is Anna Summersett, my wife, law partner, and chief complaint officer.
Okay, I only complain about things that actually need to get fixed.
Well, lay it on me. What were some pain points we felt as our law firm was growing?
Well, first of all, nobody was following standard operating procedures.
With Lawft, SOPs are automated workflows with various triggers so that compliance is enforced.
So like triggered client contact
Absolutely.
or doc creation,
Yes.
but like actually filtered by like practice areas or like a specific case type.
Yes and yes.
Okay, but we still have to like manually input the information, right?
With Lawft, our intake forms receive information that is evaluated by AI, triggering even further actions.
Like creating a new event or something?
Exactly.
Or like reviewing an entire case file?
Yes.
Okay, but even with like those efficiencies, our team still really struggles to like actually input their time.
With Lawft, AI detects the work that's being done by your team members, and it automatically suggests what time entry should be made.
So they don't have to like manually put in their hours?
Not unless they want to.
Okay, so even when we're keeping our time correctly though, the financial reports, we're having to download them and sort them manually, and we can't get any actionable data.
With Lawft, our unified financial dashboard allows you to see your macro level metrics, but also use filters to see any micro level data.
Micro level like by the specific case type?
Absolutely.
Okay, well that's gonna tell me about the law firm as a whole. What if I need key performance indicators for like individual staff?
With Lawft, key performance indicators are automatically tracked. In fact, members can set lofty goals or stretch goals and get where they are on those metrics at any time.
Well, those are great for like financial goals, but like there's no proactive way for us to determine client satisfaction.
With Lawft, we use an automated sentiment detection using AI to see how clients are feeling, and we use a net promoter score so we can find concerns and address them before they boil over.
Is this like a red flag for a message?
Yes.
Or like an overall case sentiment?
Absolutely.
Okay, but that only really helps if clients are actually interfacing with the software.
With Lawft, you can send secure text messages that are actionable without a client ever having to log in.
But that's one of our problems with online communication is you've got clients sending messages and lawyers wanting to talk to each other about those messages, but not include the client.
With Lawft, we have a revolutionary sidebar where you can securely send messages to other members of your firm without ever worrying that a client would see it.
Okay, but even when clients are happy, they aren't going to do reviews.
We have an automated review system. If you have a problem with your existing law practice management software, bring it to us. We'll bring you a solution. Thank you.
Thank y'all.